Right, guys, welcome back to Team Insane Trading, and we took a trade today on GBP CHF. Nice little win. We followed a little trend down, and we had a break, a retest, and then we had a 1 to 1.5 win. So let's start by playing the replay to the point where we get into the trade. So we've got this trend coming down. So let's set our trend. So we've got this trend coming down here. We'll drag it a bit further down. So we've got this trend coming down, and then we had this break of the trend line, a Rob Booker indicator that didn't really take any notice of. What I did do though was I put myself a little support box here. Let's put that green, and we will call this support. So we basically waited for this to retest this area, and then we got in on the trade. So let's slow this down slightly. We got in on this trade. So we waited for this candle here. So we had this candle here, and we went long for 1 to 1.5. Bear with me 1 second. So guys, so we've got our 1 to 1.5. We've got our support zone that has been tested, and we're happy with. We did have an upwards trend line here, just to make sure that it wasn't coming down any further. So that was never broken at that point. So let's see how the trade played out, guys. So we're on GBP CHF, and we are doing 1 to 1.5. We're on a small account of Black Bull Markets. I've got a few £100 in there to start me off on live trading. I'm still working hard on flipping accounts on the demo, but obviously it is a little bit different on live. Things are a bit more volatile in terms of spreads. So that's why we're starting small. We're going to build big. So the trade played out really nice, and then took our profit at 1 to 1.5, and it was within minutes, guys. This is the 1 minute time frame. It was within minutes. We took a nice 1 to 1.5 win, and it sort of saved the day for us in terms of where we were at the beginning of the day. So this week's been a bit mixed. I've been trading GBP, JPY, and the spreads have been a bit volatile at times. Every now and again, so I'll have my usual stop loss, and every now and again, the spread will quickly change from 2 pips to 24 pips and go back to 2 pips within seconds, and stop me out, kick me out of the trade, and it's game over. But you know, we're smartening up to that. We're testing different pairs, and it's starting to work a little bit for us. So yeah, guys, we took this trade. Really happy with how it played out, and a nice little win for us. So we're going to keep trading the way we're trading. We're trading trends. We're trading breakouts. I'm looking for retests to make sure the confirmations are there that we're going to go in the direction we want to. And you know, guys, we're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep trying. If you do like the content, guys, if you like, subscribe, and share, the more people that watch the stuff, the more content we'll keep putting out.